What's the meaning of conveyancer? Conveyancer. Conveyancer.
Conveyancer. Conveyancer. A conveyancer is a professional who specializes in transferring property ownership from one party to another. They handle the legal paperwork, ensure that all relevant regulations are complied with, and facilitate the exchange of funds necessary for the transaction to take place. Essentially, they act as intermediaries between the buyer and seller, ensuring that both parties are protected and that the transfer of ownership goes smoothly. A conveyancer is an essential part of any property purchase or sale, as they provide the expertise and knowledge necessary to navigate the complexities of the process.